Check out what I found under my mom's bed. Whoa! Get rolling, David. Sounds lucky. They're going everywhere. So bright. You seeing what I'm seeing? Was this a good idea? Ah! Wait, we're alive. I thought we were goners. Awesome. So what are we supposed to do now? Who's that? Haha, time to play. Any equestrians in the house? Or at least can you draw some horses? Yeehaw! This is gonna be interesting. I'm suddenly inspired. I've always been more of a unicorn gal. Unicorns are stupid. Get it together, Gina. Now let's get to work, okay? I'm following my own strategy. Just a few folds this way. And then comes the drawing part. Connect both sides with an arch and keep drawing them until it looks a lot like this. Okay, this ought to be enough. Open sesame! Okay, here's where things really get interesting. Draw the shape exactly like I'm doing. It'll be clear soon, don't stress. Now we're going into the next section. And do the same on the other side. Very nice. Are things starting to look familiar yet? Yep, it's a unicorn face. But we just have to add a few more features. Loving those gorgeous lashes. Don't worry, all these lines will make sense at the end. Especially when I get going with all the fun colors. It's a unicorn after all. This may take a while, but all these clean single lines make for a smooth, streak-free finish. Hey, a patient artist makes for a great artist, I say. Just gotta trust the process. Phew, so now it's done. Time to fill in the most magical part of the unicorn. So the more colors, the better. Nice combo here, don't you think? Last one. It's perfect. Oh, drawing utensils down. Show me what you've got. Okay, here goes nothing. Well done! Huh? Here's mine! Oh my, you two are talented artists! Care to go for a swim with the fish? Ooh, definitely! The ideas are flowing. That makes one of us. Huh? How is Gina so good at drawing fish? Hey, Gina! A ghost! There! What? Oh, you're in for it, David! I won't let this dampen my spirit. A real artist can create something out of anything. This design can totally work. It's all about thinking outside of the box. Or, well, the fish tank in this case. And they don't all have to be the same. They each have their own style, see? But a little color can really make the fish come alive! See how I'm using my line technique? Just fill in the scales that way too. The outline keeps everything in place. Now I'll use the same technique on the other two fish. But with different designs, you have to change the color scheme. And this bad boy's going mellow yellow. But a dash of purple will really make him stand out. They are complementary colors after all. But turquoise is always my favorite. That's why I save the best for last. Orange always goes nicely with blue. What should I use for the middle color? Yellow, of course. It really brings it all together, doesn't it? Color plays a huge part in this piece. Makes it really eye-catching. Fish really are fun that way. Almost forgot about the bubbles. All done! Give me those fish. Huh, may as well give me first place. I guess it's alright. How about yours, Gina? You mean these old things? Very nice! Well, that plan sure backfired. The next challenge is very scary. Get it? Bear? Uh-huh. I know how to spice things up. I feel you, David. Now fill her up. Some for you. And some for me. You're welcome. Smells good. Mmm. I don't see any drawing. Whoops. Whoa! Water rings! That's too bad. Maybe I can do something with these. Hehe, talk about a happy accident. Just have to add some extra shapes. And it'll turn into something awesome. Time for adorable ears. Then we'll move to the body. Can't forget about the little arms. The face makes it come alive, see? And the colors are easy to pick, especially with the name Brown Bear. He looks a lot like the teddy bear I used to have as a kid. These lines give it a bit of a furry appearance. Gotta fill in the legs too. Perfect! And he's so cute! Markers down, people! My. We both went with teddy bears! Great minds think alike! Recognize this thing? It swims and quacks, see? We're doing ducks now? Wait, I got it! David, check out those birds! Hey guys! Of course! Start by tracing your hand like this. Then add on a tail-like shape and a connecting line like this. Then another one over here. Move to the tail next. Now for the little ducky face. What's a bird without a beak? And in my world, birds are all kinds of vibrant colors. Kind of like peacocks. Look at all that gorgeous solid color. And what goes really good with pink, you ask? Yellow, of course. I'm so gonna win this round. What a happy-looking bird this is. Yeah, let's see him. Ta-da! He sure is a funny guy, huh? But mine has more color. Let's switch. Cool. Art is meant to be shared. Think you could win at a drawing contest? Hold one with one of your friends and let those creative juices flow. Don't forget to share this video with your buddies. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out.